어로이. 맛있어요.
오이시 데스. Okay, if the shrimp we call กุ้งต้มยำกุ้งผัดไทยกุ้งโอเคนะคะ if a crab we call ปูtoday ไก่นะคะ next what we have sweet basil remember saffron leaf chili make aroma color smell flavor okay and less cholesterol in curry eggplant นะคะ any eggplant is okay fine but today you Thai eggplant and baby eggplant okay make green color remember curry paste make sweet remember sugar coconut sugar white sugar okay but coconut sugar smooth นะคะ and salty fish sauce น้ำปลา okay then spicy salty sweet come together okay and we have cream milk you see the milk is a cream on top water oil 50% water 50% coconut together this is the milk นะคะ if you add only cream oily curry oily Indian style no we add milk together next how we cooking the leaf we picking tearing okay here tearing okay the leaf pick on the leaf นะคะ pick the leaf leaf and leaf we put together chili we cutting okay put together and eggplant you need to cut it too the stem bye it will turn brown color fast okay technique how to keep it white color like an apple the same you can keep in the lime juice water or salt water half and half put into the salt water here and baby no cut just put it in cut it's same family but different tree different parts นะคะ sweet and bitter เนาะ I will show you how it look like okay here cut it brother and sister you see brother and sister okay sweet bitter okay done now I show you cooking today our oil not too much นะคะ around half tablespoon 1 tablespoon okay fine we use rice bran oil rice bran oil is no cholesterol so healthy okay any oil is okay fine but today we use rice bran oil นะคะ and then gas not turn on นะ first one is curry paste yummy at all อร่อยนะคะโอเคอร่อย yummy use medium นะคะ medium heat นะ okay and then stir until you get or you smell it okay can you smell it a little bit right and you hear okay add cream half of the cream not at all นะ no นะคะ I add coconut cream first because I need oil from coconut is coming when oil is coming you serve your curry beautiful presentation it means you are professional cooking okay you can see an oil here you see the middle oil oil okay คนไทย okay when you see oil add all the cream okay 2 times stir extra oil yes make beautiful นะคะ natural oil and then it will bubble after this you can add chicken okay eggplant only eggplant not put water in okay our eggplant beauty, but you can see water a little bit brown because of eggplant นะคะละเอียดนะโอเค and then mixing until chicken is white color นะ and you can see bubble a lot add milk 1 cup all of it okay just make watery fish sauce 1 tablespoon all of it okay and coconut sugar 1 teaspoon all of it and mixing after mixing clean นะคะ clean it นะ if not clean it burn นะคะ use big fire fast cook okay and when you're done serve to the bowl hold with the basket protect hot for you move to the table we preparing this one for you who like spicy and chili this step okay and on top is fine sweet basil for decoration and photo and after you done here cover not eat นะ cover it first we do stir fry 3 minutes in that นะคะ and when you doing you stir sometimes this step I call photo time you can action cooking you can smile okay fine นะคะ and somebody show me t-shirt Woo! Chef style you see it become a queen if you wanna try 1 2 3 enough okay if you wanna try but slow นะคะ okay and when you done chicken will cook how to know chicken cook is real easy cut already okay if you're not sure you tell our brother okay alright last step sweet basil chili and the caramel milk we put it together mix it eggplant นะคะ you take 1 minute more it will 100% cook but it will cook into the bowl because still hot okay ค่ะ and then we have sweet basil okay alright here done 200 baht again oh okay any style you decoration is okay fine eggplant into the sauce
これエッグプランナスだそうです。こんなちっちゃいナスが使われるんですね。よいしょギリギリピンよしうわもううまいっすね。
Okay. Buffalo and green. Not yet. And chicken.
짜잔! 完成です!
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue